So, I just got myself a new iPhone 8 in this case, and the first thing I did was I put a screen protector on it from tempered glass. But the issue that I occurred, and I hope I can show you guys this, is that I have a white line here, all the way up to the top. And this is kind of annoying. So, I can rub it like this, and I can get it away temporary, but basically nothing really works. So you see, especially when I do it in the light, you can see that nice white edge right here. So that's kind of annoying. And I found out a really easy fix to actually to do this and to make it permanent. All I need is, in this case, I'm using a toothpick and a little sunflower oil in this case, and just take the toothpick, put in a little bit of olive oil on it, and just run it along the side of the protector. And you can actually see, as soon as I do this, you can see it disappear. And I did the other side, and it was really great to see how it worked. So I just apply a little bit like this. I have a little spot right here that is a little deeper than normal. I hope you guys can see that. But just rub it a couple of times more with the toothpick, and you'll actually see it disappear. So, and then you basically, once you're done, you just let it sit for a couple of minutes. Let me do the top side also, so then that's all done. And a little spot right there at the bottom. You can decide how long you want it to stay on, to basically seep in a little bit. But for the sake of the purpose of the video and not to make it too long, so just I take a microfiber cloth, rub it off, and as you can see, I have no more white line. So I'm very happy. Very easy fix. Do it yourself. Don't get a new tempered screen. Just use a little bit of clear oil and you're good to go. I'm very happy with the result, and I hope you guys like it and that it helps you too. Have a great day.